If you want to find and manage sound settings on the Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, first we can open settings on our phone and then just scroll down a little bit in order to find sound and vibration. And then in here at the top we have a couple of D&D options like flip for D&D, which is a gesture that we can easily use to activate D&D. There is also pick up to silent, so if anyone calls you, you can pick up your phone in order to mute the ringtone. We have a couple of volume sliders, so we can adjust the volume for media, for caller, for ringtone, notifications, and for the alarm. There is also the media output selection in here, so if you want to switch between loudspeaker and your connected device such as Bluetooth speaker or earbud or headphones or whatever, then you can do so, for example, in here. There is also the multi-volume feature that of course you can enable in here as well. There is also the auto mute option for that feature, so be sure to check that out if you are interested. Then we have the ringtone and sound section where we can toggle dial pad tones. We can also change the ringtone for your SIM. In fact, we can change that ringtone for every SIM that you have on your phone, every SIM that is active, of course. We can also change the notification sound and the alarm sound in here. We can find the screen locking sound, so whenever you lock your phone, there is like a specific sound that the phone makes. You can, for example, mute it. We have tap and click sounds which we can toggle in here, and we can do the same thing with screenshot sounds. Besides that, we have the vibration section, so you can manage vibration and haptics in here. You can completely turn off vibration if you want to, just by tapping on the switcher, or you can adjust the specific vibration settings in this menu. Then we can find always show icon when in vibrate mode, so whenever you activate the vibrate mode, so only vibrates are used, then you will see an icon here under the status bar at the top. There are also some general settings like charging sounds and vibration, which we can toggle. We have Dolby Atmos settings in here. You can enable or disable Dolby Atmos if you are not using the loudspeaker. And then here we also have the Dolby Atmos settings. So you can, for example, choose a specific profile, or you can customize your own profile in here. We have Crystal Talk AI, which reduces background noise for VoIP calls. We have media section where we can pin a media player to quick settings or the control center. We have media controls as well, so you can go to the next track or previous track when you listen to a song. So for example, if you use Spotify or something, you should be able to easily switch between songs using volume buttons, but only if the screen is off. And there we go. And besides that, we also have the live caption option, which we can toggle in here as well. Besides that, if you go to the control center or quick settings, then in here you should be able to find the ringer mode, which is missing in the sound settings for some reason. But in here you can choose between the ring mode, so all sounds and vibrations are enabled. You can switch to vibrate mode, which mutes all the ringtones and sounds. And also we have the mute mode, which just disables all sounds and vibrations on your phone. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.